Hi everybody, so today we're going to make this cute little paper box. So let's start. First of all, we need two computer papers. One is of 21 centimeter from each side and the other one is 19.5 centimeter from each side. So first of all, we're going to use the big one. We have to fold it from the center. And then open it up. Then do the same to the other side. Then open it up and then take this one corner and fold it and then fold this one corner in the center like this. Then turn it over and then fold this one corner in the center point. Then take this one corner and fold it in the center point, just like we did the others. Then turn it over and then take this one corner in the center once again and do the same to all of the other sides. And then turn it over and then take this one corner and then fold it to the point. Then do the same to the other side. Take this corner to the edge. Then turn it over and then fold this one like this. Then do the same to the other side. Then open it up and then open these two corners too. Then fold it from here. Then do the same to the other side. Then open it up and turn it over. Now let's decorate it from here. First of all, we're going to draw the face. Let's draw the tiny eyes. Like this. Now let's make its tiny nose. And let's make it tiny nose. Now I'm going to color these two ears. Only these two corners. Now I have decorated its ears. Now let's turn it over and then fold these one corners like this. And then we need to fold in these ones and then fold like this. Fold it inside Then do the same to the other side. And now the cap is ready, so let's make its bottom. Now this one is the 19.5 centimeter page. Now I'm going to fold it like this. Then open it up and then do the same to the other side. Then open it up and then fold this one corner in the center. Then do the same to all of the sides. Then fold it once again. Do the same to all of the sides. Then fold it from the top like this. Then do the same here. Then open it up and open these corners too. Then fold it from here. Then turn it over and then fold it from here too. Now open it up and then fold these two corners in and then fold this corner inside it. Then do the same to the other side. I have made both of the head and the bottom. Now we have to put this on the top like this, and now our cute little animal paper box is ready. So see you at the next video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos, and if you subscribe me, I'll subscribe you back, and that's for sure. Bye.